Have you ever seen a tiled floor or wall that is so perfect that you wonder how they did it? From the intricate patterns to the smooth, solid finish. In this video, we'll see how professional tile workers do it. The video begins with workers having applied mortar to the wall and carefully placing the first tile, ensuring everything is level and properly aligned. Throughout the tiling process, various leveling clips and wedges are used to ensure consistent grout lines and a flat surface. A leveling tool is also used to tighten the clips, guaranteeing each tile is perfectly in place. Workers demonstrate how to fit tiles around obstacles, such as door frames, fit and precision. This is a highly skilled section. In some circumstances, mortar is applied directly to the back of the tiles before placement, especially for larger pieces or specific areas, to ensure optimal adhesion. Then we move on to the installation of tiles on the floor that has been given mortar. You can see how this worker works well. One by one, the tiles are neatly installed. Each tile is installed with clips for even results. Wedges are tightened so that the tiles can be evenly distributed throughout. The back of the tile is also given mortar to further strengthen the stickiness of the tiles and avoid wind gaps. In the wall installation, we will also see the same thing. He installed the tiles one by one and added clips as spacers and wedges as tile levelers. Moving on to the installation of the bathroom tiles. This worker applied adhesive to the back of the large tiles using a serrated trowel. This ensured even coverage of the adhesive and strong adhesion. The tiles were also perforated for the wires. Throughout the process, various tools such as leveling clips and wedges are used to ensure the tiles are completely flat and have uniform grout spacing. A laser level is also used as a guide for tile placement, ensuring perfectly straight lines. This worker also shows how the tiles are fitted around corners and edges with precision. This attention to detail is essential for a seamless finish. The tiles are meticulously fitted around the door frame, showing skill in handling such a complex area. Looking at the process of how he works, we can confirm that he is a professional worker and loves his job. We can see how the partially tiled bathroom looks. In this video, we will see the process of installing textured wall tiles and how to fill the grout. It starts with the worker applying the mortar to the wall using a serrated trowel with vertical grooves. The tiles are then installed one by one and clips are attached to each tile. The textured tiles are carefully placed onto the wall, making sure they are level and aligned. Once the tiling is complete, grout is then applied to the gaps in the tiles using a caulking gun. The grout that sticks to the surface of the tiles is then cleaned using a sponge. The final look is that the textured tiles are neatly installed. Turning to the process of making 90-degree angle tiles using silicone adhesive, the tiles that have been mitered are then joined together using tape and silicone adhesive. We return to the tiling of the bathroom walls, starting with workers applying adhesive to the back of large tiles using a serrated trowel. The tiles are then carefully affixed to the wall. As always, clips and wedges are installed to level the tiles. The installation process continues until the edge corners are perfectly aligned. The next process of installing floor tiles. Cement is applied to the floor. Workers level the cement with a serrated trowel tool, and back buttering is carried out. This is a step that must be considered so that the tiles are installed properly. And don't forget to shake the tiles so that the cement is evenly distributed when the tiles are installed. As always, after the tiles are installed, use clips and wedges for flatter tile results and produce consistent grout gaps. Turning to the process of installing 120 by 120 floor tiles. The installation begins with applying cement mortar evenly to the floor surface. Then, the mortar is leveled with a serrated trowel. After the mortar is ready, the back of the tiles is also applied with cement to ensure that the tiles adhere perfectly to the floor. Then two workers carefully lift the ceramic tiles and place them on the floor. The workers use a vacuum suction device to lift and position the tiles with precision. Once the tiling is complete, the spacer clips are then tightened using wedges for an even finish. We move on to the last video. This time the process of installing floor tiles that are not too large. With black and white colors, one by one the tiles are installed after the adhesive is applied. These tiles will later form a pattern after the tiles are neatly installed. The final result shows the pattern after the tiles are installed.